This is not a joke. Apple will pay you $1 million if you can hack its iCloud. They just made a major announcement that really says, we mean business when it comes to keeping Apple Intelligence locked down and secure. And by mean business, I mean they are putting their money where their mouth is, offering up to $1 million for anyone who can hack their artificial intelligence cloud. Yes, you heard that right. $1 million. So what is this artificial intelligence cloud we are talking about? Apple is calling it Private Cloud Compute, or as we will call it here, PCC. Now, these servers are designed to take over some of those heavier artificial intelligence tasks, the ones that your iPhone or Mac just cannot handle on their own. But with great power comes, you guessed it, some big risks. That is exactly why Apple has launched a serious bug bounty to make sure any cracks in the system are sealed up tight. Now, here is where it gets interesting. In a recent blog post, Apple announced that they are giving the public a front row seat to their virtual research environment. Translation: Apple is letting everyone check out the code and see if they can spot any vulnerabilities. Originally, this private cloud was only accessible to a small group of security researchers and auditors, but now Apple is throwing the doors wide open. Anyone can give it a go and try to break into their artificial intelligence cloud. Here is the deal. A lot of Apple Intelligence work happens right on your device, on your iPhone, your Mac, whatever you have. But for those bigger, more complex jobs, PCC steps in. Apple has promised end-to-end encryption on this cloud system and says the data will only be available to the user. In other words, your requests stay private. But let's be real for a second, anytime data starts leaving your personal device and floating around in the cloud, there is a reason to be cautious, right? So that is probably why Apple is rolling out the red carpet for ethical hackers and putting out this massive bounty offer. They want anyone and everyone to dig deep into their code and sniff out any weak spots. Now, let's break down the prizes because they are no joke. The big prize: $1 million for whoever manages to get malicious code running on the PCC servers. If that is too intense, the next level is a cool $250,000 for exploits that could expose user data on the artificial intelligence cloud. And for those of you who love a good challenge, there are smaller rewards starting at $150,000. This is for accessing user data from a privileged network position. Tech talk for getting in there without the usual restrictions. Apple has a history with these bounty programs. They have helped Apple catch some potential issues early on, and they have paid out some nice rewards. A few years back, they even paid a student $100,000 for hacking a Mac. So the stakes are high, and Apple is not messing around. Hopefully, if there are any bugs hiding in this new artificial intelligence cloud, the tech wizards out there will spot them before Apple Intelligence rolls out to everyone. So, if you have a knack for hacking and want a shot at $1 million, maybe Apple's challenge is calling your name.